Ha kawai ke jingja accident ka belajar ha ke janmi jong ke sngi thodiang ha surak ba NH Rio ha ki binta jong ke shnong jintru Riboi district kawai ke kali hande kabadon new registration number ML not san L pranyo sanyo kala lej bantinra ya kawai ke kali Tata Nexon kabadon new registration number TG not nyo E san san iwenyo kabala wanrah ya ke jingjulor kabajur ya baro atli ki kali katkum kitolong khubor kani ke jingja kalaja hapadeng kapor saushiteng hadu san baji janmien laong ba kakali Tata Nexon kadang hiar na Shillong shagohati hinrei kinsan kakali hande kabadang kiu Sha Shilliang bat kabla kino balanya aster palan kala Ryngkoh na Sha Shilliang bat Shah Tynrah ben ha kakali Tata Nexon na kibinta basyadien tang hadian kate ke jingjia Nongñiah jong ka hande ulap het Krad no na ka jaka accident but i no you way briu ubashong lang hapo kakali uni ubashong lang ulaya thu ba kate kakali kade jong ukpa jong u but bakidang thmu banle Shillong ulo ongru ba om tip satya kumno kani ke jingjia kala jia namar ha ke tu kapor urang yo thia but ula kindit tang hadian ba ke accident kala debjia ula binram ba hadian ke jingjia om shimla yo issue yaw Nongñiah namar ulap het no marma na kate ke jaka ha kani ke accident laingut ki briu ki bashong hapo ka Tata Nexon but way bashong ha ka hande klamen sa malumala kat bayu Nongñiah jong ka hande ampat sham layo jingtip AA namaru lap het Krad na ka jaka tang maria ja ka jing accident baro artli ki kali kila julor bun na ka jing Tynrah hadian ke jingjia ki pulit jong ka Nongpoh police station kila poi mardor sha ka jaka ban pinlong ye ka jing token bat ban le ya ka badan kam kat kum ka ai.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.